So it's April 2025 and you're just looking for the easiest, fastest and safest way to fully jailbreak your device 100% free. So you can then go ahead and access the best streaming applications. Doesn't matter if you're interested in the latest movies, TV shows, live TV, pay-per-view, sports, all of that content can be accessed just by following the process in this video. And the great thing is anybody can do it, takes a couple of minutes, and you can go ahead and enjoy the best streaming content on your device absolutely free. Now to start the process, just go to the left where it says find the magnifying glass. Let's click on that. Go down into search. And here we want to type in the word downloader. Let's type that in. Here we are. Now this is a great application, which is a built-in browser, allows you to access different sites on the internet, but it also allows you to download and install application files, your APK files. So install that. Now before you open it, we have to make just one quick change to give this application the correct permissions so we can install applications through it. Now to do that, let's press the home key. Let's now go over to the settings, go down to where it says My Fire TV, go to developer options. Now, if you can't see this on your device, the developer options, all you have to do is go over to About. Let's press the select button there. And where you can see your device type, we can see I'm doing mine on my Fire TV Cube. For you, it may say FireStick or Fire TV. Just press the select button here 7 times. 1, 2, and you can see at the bottom on mine, it says, no need, you are already a developer. On your device, if you're doing this for the first time, after 7 clicks, you'll get the message that you're now a developer. Once you see that message, you can now press back on the remote and you'll then see the developer options. I can now go into that. And what we're looking for where it says install unknown applications. Let's press the select button there. And we're now looking for downloader. We can see by default it's set to off. I can press the select button there once. And that then turns the option to on. And this again just means that you can now download applications through Downloader and install them onto your device. Once you've confirmed that, let's now open up Downloader. Now in the main box here, you can type in a web address, type in a URL, but you can also enter in a short code or a quick code, which will quickly allow you to access websites without typing in a long URL. Now I've created a custom short code, which will allow you to access a page directly on my website, which will always have the latest version of this custom application store. And as this is a dynamic link, it doesn't matter if you're watching this video in April 2025 or December 2026, this shortcode will always take you to the latest version of this custom application store. And that shortcode is just 729-611. Let's type that in. And we can now click on the go button. And this will take you directly to that page. Here we are. So first we see some step-by-step instructions, but we can scroll down. You have the install guide. Keep scrolling down. Underneath all of that, we should have a link to this custom application store. Just underneath all of this, we have the link here. So this will allow you to fully load any device just by installing it. So let's click on that. We can now scroll down. And you want to click on this green download button here, and this will automatically download the latest version directly onto your device. Let's give that a second. Now, if you see any kind of errors here, it could be that your ISP is blocking the connection. To fix that, I do recommend using a VPN, which will then allow you to bypass those restrictions from your ISP or from your internet service provider. And I will share the VPN that I personally recommend at the end of this video. I can now click on install. That's now all done. Now, before we open up this custom application store, we have to once again give this store the correct permissions so we can then go ahead and download and install applications through this custom application store. Now to do that, I can click on done. Let's now press the home key. Let's once again go back into the settings, go back into where it says My Fire TV. Let's click on that. Let's click on the developer options. Let's go back to install unknown apps. Keep scrolling down. And where you see the custom application store is set to off, just press the select button once, and that's now set to on. This again means that we can now download applications through this custom application store and then go ahead and install them. Once you've done that, you can now press the home key. Now, before we continue, let me just quickly share this QR code that if you are looking for a fantastic offer for a ridiculously fast VPN, stay safe online, change your IP address, access geo-locked content, protect your privacy, you definitely want to go ahead and scan this QR code for a superb discount. If I now go over to my app library, let's click on that. And now any application that you install will be at the bottom of the list. And here is this new custom application store. Let's open that up. Now, as you guys can appreciate, streaming laws are different depending on where you are in the world. What may be suitable in my country might not be suitable in yours. And definitely many things are unsuitable for YouTube. This is why I'm not going to go into all of the categories here, just in case something does potentially cause a red flag. But trust me when I say that all of your applications that you're looking for, providing you the best content, you'll definitely find them in this list. But for a quick test, let's say, for example, I go to Essentials. Let's click on that. And let's say I'm looking to install the ES File Explorer. So I can click on Download. Give that a second. I can now click on Install. And the application has now been fully sideloaded onto my device. That's how easy it is to sideload applications from custom application stores on your Amazon device. Just takes a few seconds. Anybody can do it. You don't need to pay anybody or buy a pre-configured, fully loaded stick. All of these steps you can do by yourself just by following the process in this video. That's now all done. I can click on Done. Let's now press the Home key. Again, go back to our app library. And we know all new applications that we install will be at the bottom of the list. Here's a new application there. I can click on that. And I'm now using this fully side-loaded application on my Amazon Fire TV stick, and that's working great. Let's go back to the custom application store, and you can now see all of the categories available, all containing the best applications, the best streaming applications that you can enjoy on your Amazon devices or even Android TVs. The only thing I would say that if you are going to be installing certain applications which give you access to certain content, it is always advisable to use a VPN. The main benefit of a VPN is it allows you to change your IP address, your online digital fingerprint. When you change your IP address, that means if you are watching something or accessing certain content, nobody will be able to trace that back to you. And it really is just the best way to stay safe online. It also allows you to access geo-locked content from all over the world. All of that can be unlocked just by using a simple VPN. Right now, there's a really special offer for a super fast VPN where you can get total protection for all of your devices, all of your applications, your add-ons, your APKs, your streaming apps. All of them can be covered with the VPN, and they also give you unlimited connections. What that means is it doesn't matter if you've got 3 FireSticks, 10 Android TVs, 2 laptops, all of those devices, unlimited devices, will be covered with a single license. You get blazing fast speeds, so zero buffering, and they also have a verified no logs policy, so they're not logging anything, they're not monitoring anything. You really can stay anonymous whilst using this VPN. You can access all of your favorite applications, your Netflixes, your BBC iPlayers, your Hulus. All of your streaming applications can be unlocked by using this VPN. And to get all of that for just over $2 a month, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.